In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your WhatsApp avatar in quick, easy steps, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. Locate the WhatsApp application, click on it. Now click on the three dots at the top, click on settings, then scroll down, just scroll down and click avatar, okay? Then click create your avatar, then click get started. It will automatically open your selfie camera. Click on create manually, or you can click on take photo. I'm going with the second option. I want to create it manually. Get started with the skin tone. Just use any skin tone that matches you. Okay, let me go with this skin tone. Then click next. Choose your hairstyle. I want this hairstyle. Click next. Hair color. Let me just maintain the black color. Then body size. I think my body size is this one right here. Then click next. Then select outfit. Okay, let me choose any outfit here. I think I love this outfit. Then click done, or you can click more personalization. Let me click more personalization. Then here I can add things like facial hair. Okay. Let me say I want this one here. Then you can just click save. Then click next. The avatar has been created, okay?